Hello, my lovely friends. Like just a full day of trying this, I had to poop out everything, like everything all out. It flushed me out real good. I'll share with you how to go about it, but the first thing you need is a lemon. So, what you need is to get a lemon, wash thoroughly, and you get the zest, the peel out of the lemon. This is so powerful, very, very good at helping your system to flush all those bad fats, waste, and equally help to destroy those fast growing fat cells, making you gain a lot of weight so fast. Like this is so cleansing. So once you get your one lemon, get the zest out of it, you want to put it in a cup. So I'll be getting the benefits out of these. So just grate and put it in a cup, and I'll be adding one more ingredient in here just to make it so powerful, and that is cinnamon. So cinnamon is very, very good at detoxing your system, cleansing and flushing your system of fats, waste, equally boosting your metabolism as well. So this is a cinnamon stick. If you don't have the stick, you can add in a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So you want to get the cinnamon stick, kind of break into tiny pieces so you can actually get fat burning or detox tea out of this. So once you add that in the zest, you want to go ahead and add in some green tea. This makes everything just so powerful, and like just follow these steps and you will love how your system will flush everything all out. All the bad fats, waste will be pooped out. So this is the green tea. You put it in there, very heart healthy, very good, will cleanse your organs, your overall system, flush your system of fats, internal fats, waste, toxins. Like this is so powerful. So add in a cup of boiled water. So you boil some water and add in a cup of it in there. So I always try to close it with a lid so it infuses so well. So you want to set that aside. As it infuses, you get cucumber. So I'm using half a cucumber. I always like to go ahead and slice, so I actually get all the alkalizing benefits from the fruit itself, like the inner fruit. So once you get your cucumber, if you like to eat it with the peel, that is fine, but I just love it this way. I get the benefits this way. So you want to get your cucumber, divide in two, so you need half of it, and you slice up into some tiny little sizes. This brings out the alkalizing benefits when infused in your drink. I'll share with you how to go about it anyway. So just get your cucumber, slice this way, very detoxifying. This supports your system to detox itself, cleanse your liver to be in good state to flush your system for you, and very healthy for your heart. So the next thing you want to add is, just get the lemon. You remember the lemon, we got the peel, slice it and set aside, and I'll share with you what to do with the lemon. So the next thing you add is a thumb size of ginger. So I just have these tiny pieces of ginger, and it is equal to a thumb size, a teaspoon of a grated ginger if you're grating, but this is a thumb size of ginger if you're measuring with your thumb. This is so good as it has anti-inflammatory properties to help you with gases in your system causing bloating, constipation, help boost your system to burn fat, break down fats in your system, boost your metabolism, and this is so powerful, very detoxifying. So once you get the ginger, you peel and you slice up into some good little sizes, and you're good. Very, very fat burning. Like ginger equally helps you flush excess sugars in your system, slowing down your metabolism. So if you're diabetic, you want to fall in love with ginger. That helps with the flushing out of excess sugars. So this is it. You set aside. I'll be equally adding some apple cider vinegar for two reasons: to curb appetite, because when you add apple cider vinegar, it makes you not feel like eating anything, as well as boost your system, boost your metabolism to burn fat, flush bacteria from your system, slowing your metabolism. Like this is so powerful, so purifying. So now you want to get the tea from the lemon peel and the cinnamon, have it cool down. So this is it infused. I let it infuse for like 10-15 minutes while I was working with the other ingredients. So once it cools down, you want to use a sieve to sieve out the tea, so no particles get in there. Like you see me doing, this is what you want to do, so you don't get the particles in there. So yeah, this is it. Allow it to cool down. Very powerful. This is the biggest secret in here. So you can get your 2-liter jar, and you go ahead and add in the ingredients in the jar. So this is my cucumber. You go ahead and add in the ginger. So that is half cucumber, thumb size of ginger. If you're having in your cup, that is fine, but I always go for the 2 liters because that makes me actually consume my 2 liters of water a day, because this substitutes your water. So, or if you like to drink more pure water, that is fine, but I always go for 2 liter because it allows me to get enough water in my system for the day. So you go ahead and squeeze in the lemon, the 1 lemon that we got the zest out of. You squeeze in 3/4 in the bigger jar and just a quarter in the cup. So this is what you want to do. Squeeze out the juice in there and you're good. Very good for fat burning. Lemon water, very powerful, plus these other ingredients, it makes everything just so effective. So this is it. And now you want to go ahead and add in the apple cider vinegar. So I don't add a lot. A little goes a long way. A little is just perfect. You just add in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in the 2-liter jar, and you go ahead and add in half a tablespoon or a teaspoon in the cup. So because the cup is smaller, just a tiny little goes a long way. You don't need to put a lot of it, just this. Yeah, so I always add in some ice cubes just to have my water kind of a little bit chilled. Not really, it will not be cold, but just chill and nice. And you go ahead and add in the tea in there. So that is what you want to add in now. Add in the tea from the lemon peel, green tea, and cinnamon. So you want to fill this up with pure clean water now. So clean it, fill your jar up, your 2-liter jar with 2 liters of water. You equally go ahead and fill the cup with water as well. This is it, guys. This is so, like, you come back and tell me you just drink this throughout the day. This is it. Like, just drink like throughout the day and make sure you are on that healthy side. It should be your cleansing day. That day you don't eat a lot of food, so you allow this to really cleanse your system for you. You can eat just like some vegetable soup, or don't eat a lot of hard food. Just allow this to flush your system, and you come back and tell me. This is so powerful. This is so powerful. My secret to always maintaining that flat tummy, healthy body size. I have a lot of pictures of me on Instagram if you're new here on this channel, but this is a picture of me. In case you're new, you don't know who Risa is, this is me. I have a healthy body size, not necessarily skinny, not overweight as well, but just that healthy body, plump and healthy, without excess fats in my body and my tummy. And yeah, so that is the secret to a healthy life. You don't want to be too skinny, as well as you don't want to be too big. So try this recipe, share with your family and friends, like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.